Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti, and today I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine. And you must be thinking like, Shamapti, if it is a nighttime skincare routine, what you're doing with all the sunlight on your face? It's about to sunset. Plus, I just got back home. I needed to remove the sunscreen and makeup of my skin. So yeah, let's start with the cleansing oil. This is the first step, my first cleanser. It removes makeup, sunscreen gently and preps the skin for the second cleanser, or what I can say that it makes second cleanser's job easy. And I need to tell you one thing, the light is gonna fluctuate a lot because like I told you, it's about to sunset. I don't know why I thought it's a good idea to use natural light today. So sorry for that. So now after washing off the first cleanser, I'm gonna use a second cleanser. For that I'm using this foam based cleanser. I like this one from Etude house. And yeah, I'm gonna massage this on my skin for 60 seconds before I rinse it off. And my top priority for cleansing is that to keep this routine gentle yet effective. Okay, now I felt like using a face pack. For that I'm gonna use this one. I have like love-hate relationship with this mask. I got it for free. I'm just trying to finish it off. Some days it works for me, some days it doesn't. So yeah, I just like the color of this mask and the texture is nice. So today I'm gonna keep this routine as minimal as I can for my standard. If you want to see my like full-blown skincare routine, you can check out this video. That was like a little bit much, but today I feel kind of tired, so I'll try to keep the things minimal. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this mask on for like 10 minutes before I rinse it off. Now I'm gonna use a soothing toner, and this one is my most favorite, and it is soothing like anything, but when it comes to hydration it is just okay. So my next step would be serum, and this is a niacinamide based serum. I'm gonna review it very soon. And now it's time for moisturizer, and this one has good amount of ceramides, then good emollients, humectants. I have been enjoying this one. And then I'm using this eye cream. It is okay. I'm just trying to finish it. I'm not gonna buy this again. And after that, face oil. I love tamanu oil. It makes my skin glow, but many people would find this to be heavy for their preference. So I think rosy oil would do for them, or squalene. So yeah, that's all for now. That was my skincare routine for night time. The sun is just about to set. Before that, I need to show you one thing. How Anirban scared me. He had a tough day at work today, and we're gonna just go and just watch a film. I want to watch this film, Don't Look Up. Have you watched this? Let me know. I heard it's good. So yeah, that's all. And how are you? How are you doing? I really hope you're doing good. Take a good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.